All right, guys. So today for reading, we're looking at prepositions and prepositional phrases. So let's first start with parts of a complete sentence. So a complete sentence is made up of a subject and a predicate. So for example, the sentence, Superman caught the robber. In this sentence, Superman is the subject that tells us who the sentence is about. So again, the subject in the sentence answers the who or what the sentence is about. Caught is our predicate. That tells us what the subject did. So let's talk about prepositions now. So prepositions can make simple sentences more interesting. For example, the sentence, Superman caught the robber. We can add on a prepositional phrase, such as during the storm, to make the sentence more interesting and also give the reader more information. So when we put it together, we now have the sentence, Superman caught the robber during the storm. It helps us answer when Superman caught the robber. So a lot of times prepositional phrases answer like where, what time, or when something is happening. All right, let's look at this sentence. Superman caught the robber under the bridge. Again, the simple sentence, Superman caught the robber, can totally stand on its own as a very simple sentence. But when we tag on that prepositional phrase, under the bridge, it gives the reader more information and also makes the sentence more interesting. Okay, so again, it tells us where Superman caught the robber. Now, what is a preposition exactly? So prepositions, think of them as connecting words that act like bridges. So we take a simple sentence, we use a preposition, one word, to connect on some kind of phrase in order to give the reader more information and also just make a more interesting sentence. So for example, we have this sentence, we went fishing. Okay, well, let's tag on or connect more information with a preposition. We went fishing with Ben. With here is the preposition. Ben then is going to be the object. So who did we go fishing with? Here we have, after dinner, she read a book. So sometimes prepositional phrases can also come at the beginning of a sentence. She read a book could stand as a simple sentence on its own. But we can tag on or connect more information using a preposition. After dinner, she read a book. So after here is the preposition, and it connects the rest of the sentence. So it tells us, when did she read the book? Okay, so when you are doing your worksheet on your own today, make sure you are looking for words such as these. Usually these are used as prepositions. So be kind of looking for words here in your sentences. These will be key indicators where the prepositional phrase is. So think of a prepositional phrase as a group of words that begins with a preposition and ends with the object of the preposition. So as we already said, we went fishing with Ben. With is the preposition. Ben is the object. So it tells us who we went fishing with. All right, so again, just a quick review. Prepositions can show us time, place, or also movement. So when things are happening, where they're happening, how they're happening. So here we have Shelton played football. We can add on prepositional phrases such as Shelton played football before dinner. Before is the preposition. Dinner would be the object of that preposition. It's telling us, when did Shelton play football? Shelton played football at the park. So at is the preposition. The park or park is the object of that preposition. It's telling us where Shelton played football. Okay, so just keep those things in mind. What a prepositional phrase does. Look for key words. Again, be thinking of what information tells us where, when, and how something is happening. All right, well, that's the lesson for today.